Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, daily chart. You can see Thursday, upper band, little pullback Friday. They brought it all the way back into the area of 3,300. You've got the weekly pivot, 3,300 and change, basically 3,301. Just underneath that is the blue line, which is your 9-day, and the green line, which is your daily mid-band, the 20-day simple. Those are both coming together at basically 97.98. So 97 to 01 plus the round number 3,300 is going to be a big deal. That's my bull bear for the week, essentially. So hourly chart, you can see they brought it in last night, traded as low as 3.5, and then they bounced it. And they've kind of, they've given a little bit of it back, but now we're trading basically where we opened up, anywhere between 24 and 29, which is basically where they closed it on Friday. So nice volatility, not the easiest trade to catch. I didn't trade much last night. I was out of pocket, so I mean, basically, some days be that way. So I put out one trade. I got stopped out. They ran it up after that, but I was doing other things. So as we head into today, the last 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 hours worth of hourly candles have interacted with the hourly mid-band in some way. So we're consolidating a little bit as we head into the open. So I'm expecting a whippy open, choppy open. We got volume weighted average price 33.23. Hourly mid-band is coming in at 26. The task for the bears is converting this area, not only today, but all week long. They need to live in the land where things print with a 32 on them. The bulls want this right here to be your weekly low, and they want to build on that and try to get back up towards that upper band at 33.62. They want the takeaway of last night on the daily chart to be, okay, well, upper band, pull back to mid band, hold it, and then head higher, which would be a pretty bold statement. The bears want to start living below here. They want to turn this into a sell rallies market that wants to live between the middle band and the lower band, which comes in down around 32, 34. Do I think the environment's there to make that happen? Sure. It's all about the execution on the short side. Bulls are defending the heck out of some of these levels. And they'll continue to do so until they get chased out of the pool enough that they take their ball and go home and wait, take some profit, wait for it to come in and find some place where they like more value than they like it here. It's simple as that. But if the bears can't execute below 3,300, well, then the bulls are going to come in and say, you know what, right here, fight it off. And, the bears have done a really bad job of fighting it off in the last, basically all year long. I mean, you've had some real serious breaks of key levels that have not held for more than a day. So until that changes, all these dips become buys, including this one, until the bears can start living below last night's low. So taking out the Globex low, that's the task not only for today, but all week long. And when they can start making those kinds of lower lows, then people will get the pullback that that they've been looking for. I think part of the reason why we're not getting the pullback that everybody's looking for is because everybody was looking for it. We're not overbought. We're not parabolic. We're none of these things. Here's your hourly chart. I mean, we printed 57s here. We've basically been consolidating, pulling back a little bit since then, working all that off. So it's fair game for either side from here. So don't fall into the trap of, well, we just can't go up anymore. Really? Why? We just came in 57 handles. Sure we can. So if the trend is up this week, then you can we want to be in that. If you just can't bring yourself to buy it, and I know there's those of you out there that you just can't do it. If you can't do it, then step aside. What you don't want to do if this thing starts to fight its way back up to 33.60 is fight it every step of the way, because by the time it is ready to come in, you're out of bullets, both mentally and account-wise, and then you're just thankful to get your money back from however many ads you did on whatever awful trade you put on way too early, way too low. Don't fall into that trap, okay? If the thing wants to go up, well, then be long. If it wants to go down, then be short. If that sounds overly simplistic, come on in the room and we'll show you just how simplistic it can be. Because price, risk, that's about it. So we'll see. It's going to be a very interesting week. I think this is a key week for the bears. I think they have the news flow to turn this into a sell rallies market. They don't have a long way to go to convert a weekly pivot. They tried last night. It's key. And if the bulls can hold them off, they probably get the rest of the month unless the news flow just gets so bad that it's not sustainable. And in this environment, with what's going on in other places in the world, it's absolutely possible. So very interesting week. And I'm expecting it to be a volatile week for a number of reasons. Okay, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room. I will have some more stuff out on social. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.